I know it's time to install what's in this box because it's been here for way too long. Y'all probably don't even know what this is, but these are my new brake rotors, which happen to be drilled and slotted. And so I'm stoked to install those on the Genesis right here. But what's up, everybody? It's PJ with another video for y'all. And as you can see, I have a box on the ground right here. And like I told y'all, I was going to be buying another bumper soon. This just so happens to be the bumper because of this mess. And I don't like that. So, but if you look at it, I don't know how they got to fit this bumper in this little box. And I guess it's folded or whatever, so I need to go ahead and unbox this thing and hopefully sit it out for a little bit. And I need this thing to get back in shape because it's painted and I'm not even sure how they folded it. So let me go grab me a razor right quick. Hopefully it does not start raining on me while I'm opening this. It doesn't say it's supposed to rain today, but now let me go ahead and move this thing. I think I'm gonna open it. I'll open it out here. Okay, so I can see how they folded it. They just left everything flat and folded the ends like so. Like, I don't know how to explain that, but they folded the ends. So let me go ahead and finish unwrapping this thing and I can show y'all what it looks like. I hope this thing good. I hope it's in good shape. I see why they say it's flexible now. Like, you can kind of see like it's bent, and I was kind of scared whenever I first opened it, but this can be wiped off or washed off. But the paint looks a lot better than it was on my other bumper. I can't wait till I can wash this thing and then put it on the car. But as you can see, it did not come with the grill or the front piece right here. I'm thinking about just putting mesh behind this and this. But I don't know, I do kind of like the look that this has. It's just not in the best condition, so I am going to take this off of this bumper and sand it all down and see what I actually want to put on the other bumper. But I know one thing that is coming off of here and going on the other is my lip that I bought, and that's going to look quite nicely for my cruise Saturday. If you are not familiar with what I am talking about with my cruise Saturday, then maybe y'all should just look at the flyer that I have on the screen right now and see if y'all will be able to make it. Hopefully you will be able to make it because I'll be there, and I'll be this will be my first car event that I host, so hope it turns out nicely. But while I wait for this bumper to get back in shape, I'm about to unbox these rotors and let y'all see those. This bumper looking so good to me. But I went on ahead and took this bumper off instead of opening these rotors because I figured why not stick with one thing at a time. But now I just need to take all of this off the back of here, and I'm gonna start out with probably the center piece right here. And as you can see, there are nothing but screws everywhere, and these tabs, like there are tabs on everything. It's basically just a bunch of screws and tabs. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this stuff off of here, and then I'm gonna sand down the front of these and get to painting it. But in the meantime, I think while I do that, Rakeem might call me to go pick him up. So I may have to drive my car with no bumper on it and go pick him up, but that's not gonna be a problem because I've done it before. If you ask me, the Genesis doesn't look that bad without, well, actually yes it does. It looks terrible without a bumper on it. Don't hold me to that. But yeah, like I said, let me go ahead and get started with this bumper. But look what I done did.
That's the way you do it.
I should have got the other one. Be like that, man. It be like that. I might be able to use this one. What is it called? Time lapse. Look it up. Alright, so we got the front piece of the bumper right here. And I sanded it down a lot better than I did previously. The little toe hook piece right here, it goes right here. But as you can see, I still need to sand it after I just primed it because there's a little bubbling right here and a few other spots on here. But all in all, it's coming out quite nicely. I'm debating on if I want to put this top piece back on there. I don't think I'm gonna put that back on there, so I'm gonna need to go to Home Depot, pick up some mesh. But let me get from under here. And now we got Kane out here. He gotta change his back hub and the bearing that's on the hub. But here's the new bumper. Don't worry about the powder that they have on there right there. That's for whenever it's shipping, so it won't slide around and scratch up and stuff since it is painted. But as you can see, it was folded like I showed y'all that, and it's getting quite better. It's bending back in shape. But right now, I'm about to put the lip on the bumper. So I need to start unscrewing this lip, getting it off of the old bumper, and putting it on the new bumper. Alright, so as you can probably tell because of my change of clothes, today is the next day, and my bumper is actually looking very nice. I like the way it came out. I still have a little bit of powder on this right side right here, but that's no problem. I actually bought some mesh to go behind here, so I'm gonna put some mesh back there. I just have to spray paint it black and put it on back there with some super glue or some hot glue or something like that. But Rakeem is over here. He's cleaning out the RX-8 for tomorrow's ride, and he actually got some more seats. I don't know if y'all can tell what brand that is, but I actually wanted to go with these racing seats as well. They're not like racing seats, but they are kind of comfortable. And yeah, I kind of want them to take one of them out so I can kind of see it. For real though, I think it's gonna look pretty good, especially like the color that he told me he got. But I don't know. You gonna take one out? Well, don't take it out, but just show him a little bit. Hint him a little bit.
This man.
Hint him a little bit, man.
Just a little bit?
A little bit.
Like
Just
that,
a little
that's
bit.
That's enough? Oh, that ain't enough. Oh, that ain't enough.
What's that? Oh man, that's all they can see, man. Anyways, I gotta move this Genesis over because like I told y'all yesterday, I am supposed to be putting my rotors on the car because, hold on, let me show y'all this. Look at these rotors. You can tell right now that this is not supposed to be ripply like this. It's terrible. Nah, it's very bad. But I have brand new drilled and slided rotors that I'm putting on there. I'm about to go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna show y'all all of that because I did show y'all how I did it on the Miata. But we about to get this thing started.
Alright, so check this out. Everybody that think this is little, I just fit 2 seats, seat rails. I put some new carpet in there.
Oh yeah, he did get carpet. I'm just skipping all over everything. No, bro, this diamond carpet, boy, you might have a little R8. Boy, that thing look good.
I don't know about the R8.
We got some R1 Concept semi-metallic brake pads. R1 Concepts, y'all supposed to be good. I hope y'all are. That's what I heard anyways. Oh! Boy, look at that thing, boy. This thing kind of big. I hope they fit.
That mug is huge. Nah, that's straight. That's the right size, bro.
God no.
Trust me, just slap it on there real quick.